So, if you are about to use Synogut, or just want to know more about it, make sure you watch until the end of this video so you won't regret it later. Hi guys, this is Lewis. In this video I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about Synogut before you buy it. Well, before we start guys, I really have to warn you. Be very careful with the website you're going to buy Synogut from. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people who are selling this product with another link that is not the official one. Also, there's too many people saying that they used the product when they actually didn't. So in order to help you guys, I left the link to the official website down below in this video description so you won't get scammed. So, now, what is Synogut and how that works? Well, Synogut is a potent natural product that helps to restore the digestive system to its optimal state. Synogut is specifically created for persons who have suffered for many years in vain with all of these digestive system issues. It is an all-natural option that could assist all of these people in having a natural and healthy digestive system. It treats the underlying cause of digestive system issues by supplying substances that are healthy to the digestive system and the entire body in general. You can check the results clicking on the link on the description down below of this video. As a natural supplement, Synogut relies on fiber, natural laxatives, and probiotics to give your body the tools it needs to relieve pain and discomfort in your stomach. Each serving is packed full of fiber to pull toxins from your colon and natural stool softeners to give you relief from constipation and irregularity. Each capsule also contains various probiotics and prebiotics to help reduce bloating, gas buildup, and inflammation. As you may see on the image, there's 3 packages. You can choose whichever works best for you, but I highly recommend taking the 3 or 6 bottles packages because this discount is only available for a limited time. So, there's something really incredible about Synogut. It comes with a 100% money-back guarantee for a full 60 days. That means if you don't get the results the product promises or you change your mind for any reason at all, just call or email the support team within the next 2 months and you will get every penny back. It's also important to say that Synogut won't cause adverse or unexpected side effects. Like I said, the ingredients are 100% natural. Again guys, please be careful with the website you are going to buy this product from. The link to the official website is down below in this video description. I really hope this video helped and that Synogut helps you to support gut health. Click on the link below and get to know more about Synogut.